How is há khảo taste?
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Đi làm với bố. Today, Tường Vy and I and few of the guests will take you around the old quarter for trying different kind of street food. Let's follow us to see how it is. Thank you.
Wants to just stand.
You want us to be natural?
Okay, no, just wait. Okay.
I have to say, it probably wouldn't have been something that I would have ordered.
Try that first.
Ready?
Ready?
Okay. Yep, that's spicy.
Yeah, spicy but good taste, right?
It's tangy.
Alright. So now tell me about the fish cake.
The fish cake is very yummy.
Very
It's got
yummy.
a good crunch to the outside, but it's light on the inside. Good flavor. Tastes really good in the sauce.
That's nice. Yeah. And then, yes, you put in the sauce and then enjoy it. What do you think about this kind of food? It's yummy. Shy. Okay. I'm making a video. So how do you think about the food? This one is good. Better than the other one for you. Okay. Good?
You don't taste too much. Taste too much. You taste a lot more pork. I think you taste a lot more of the pork. Let's go.
How is há khảo taste? Very professional. Okay.
You made it through.
Food I liked the best was the fried fish balls,
Okay.
which I honestly didn't think I would like the best. And the last one, the Vietnamese pancakes,
Okay.
those raw with the shrimp. Those,
The one we roll by ourselves.
Yes.
Put in the rice paper.
yes,
Okay.
those are also, I like those too.
You like it? Yeah, coffee is nice.
The egg coffee was
coffee was really good.
very nice, yeah.
Okay, that is good.
But it was all good, but you asked me to pick favorites, so.
Okay, those are
I
two.
would say that the fish
fish cake.
rolls were the best.
The fish roll.
And then I like the crispy mushroom and
The hakao. What do you say that again? How is the word? What's the word that you is? Ôi,
Ôi.
giời
Dài.
ơi.
Ai.
Ôi giời ơi. Ôi giời ơi. Tasty, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep.
Đây là món bánh tráng trứng dành cho khách ăn chay rồi. Làm nó có màu vàng. What do you think about food?
A little bit tasty.
A little bit tasty. But you tried this one a lot already, right? And this is not really new to you. Yeah, that one. Only 1 meter. Yes? The music shop. You look at the music shop. See it?
خلاص مود فعلا انا اخر خطوه مود
Đây là cái quán mà mình cho khách ăn miến lươn. Và bạn Tường Vy thì chọn riêng một mình một bát súp lươn.
bố đặt thì có
Bố đặt cho bạn Tường Vy một bát súp lươn. Và khách không ăn lươn đâm ra là các bạn ăn miến chay. Tell me you like it or not. What? It's tasty. Almost. Yeah, you made it.